I sat on my bed, lost in thought. 1,500 miles away, I imagined my family was just sitting down to dinner, and here I was in Merida without them for my birthday for the first time in 21 years. I was nervous, not knowing how the night would go. I got up and glanced at the clock, 6:15 p.m. Time to get ready for the party. I reluctantly walked into the living room where my host family was busy preparing for the party, cooking the food and cake and trying to make sure everything was just right. Upon seeing me, they greeted me with a surprise and left to grab it. 30 seconds later, they came back with a piñata, a bull. As they brought it out, all my worries, all my reservations seemed to disappear. As I looked at this piñata, a wave of relief washed over me, and I felt right at home. After all my classmates in the program had arrived, we tied the piñata to a tree in the backyard while my host father held the other end from his perch on the roof. Blindfolded, I desperately tried to beat the candy out of it while, unbeknownst to me, my host father moved it around, making it very difficult for me to strike. After all the other guests had a go at the piñata, I was tasked to finish it off, this time without a blindfold. As I struck the piñata with a ferocious series of blows, as candy showered the pavement below, I realized that this birthday I had so much to be thankful for. I had my host family who were willing to throw a party for me, that had put so much work into making my birthday a special one, and they had succeeded. Later that night, I talked with my parents back home and showed them the piñata head of the bull. I bragged about my kill as though I had hunted, captured, and defeated the beast myself. For the rest of my time in Mexico, the bull sat on the rickety old shelf in my room, reminding me of that special moment and how fortunate I was to have such a caring and accepting family that made my experience in Mexico all the better.